Hi guys, it's Everything Geek here, and today, we are gonna be opening up a squishy package. That was my cat. I cannot barely show you the front because it has my date and stuff. Both the front and the back, so I can't show you. I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna rip it open. Oh, that was really easy to open. First squishy I pull out, and by the way, yes, this is a squishy package. Is this one? This one is like bear, and it's got like pink. Come on, focus. It's got like a bear face. Not many defects. So yeah. Then we got this panda. This one's not as squishy. Next one is this green stain bun. The little quiet face on it. Next one is this mini little turtle. This one's really cool. So squishy. Next is this little bread. Let's go slide. Next thing I pulled out is this little donut. It's got pink frosting and a bunch of little sprinkles. By the way, these come with a little chain so you're hanging them on your cars. They smell pretty good. Next is a pink steam bun. This one not as fluffy. Next one is this panda bread. It's got a little bow with a little panda face. Next one is this cat. I think it's a pancake because look how thick it is. You know, it might be like something else, like something. But here's the face. I think, oh, those are cheeks, and it's got its eyes closed. Like, then that's the cat face. We got another donut, but this one's got orange frosting. I got a jumbo panda bun. Let's take a minute how squishy this is. It's got a few defects. I can understand why this person has probably been squishing it a lot, but you know, I don't care. As long as I have it. Got a pink little cat. Face. I can't even make that face. And another bread with yellow and its little dog. Other one is this little thing. I don't know what these are called, so in the comments say what they're called because I really don't know what they're called. This one's really soft. Squishy. A few more in here. I got this little egg with two faces. This one's like, I can't really make a face. And this one's like, hey ladies. Next one is this little one who has diamond eyes. It's green. Next we have a mini panda with a bow. Next one is this dog. It's kind of like an orangey color. Last one is this little fighting one who's definitely gonna fight. thank you guys for watching this quick video of a couple squishies that I got in this squishy package.